iOS 18 versus iOS 26. App icons compared. Every new design revealed. Get ready for a visual revolution on your iPhone. iOS 18 versus iOS 26 app icons compared. Are you prepared to witness the most significant makeover of your iPhone's home screen since 2013? With the upcoming release of iOS 26, Apple is introducing a revamped design language, dubbed Liquid Glass, which extends far beyond mere aesthetics. For the first time since iOS 7, the tech giant has undertaken the monumental task of redesigning all system app icons from scratch. But here's where it gets interesting. Is this overhaul a bold step forward or merely a cosmetic tweak? To help you decide, we've put together an exhaustive side-by-side comparison of iOS 26 app icons alongside their iOS 18 counterparts. Browse through the list below and cast your verdict on the success of Apple's new visual approach. The unification of Apple's ecosystem, a holistic redesign. One of the most striking aspects of the new app icon set is Apple's concerted effort to harmonize its platform's visual identities. Gone are the days of disparate renderings across iOS, macOS, watchOS, and VisionOS. The new design paradigm ensures that iOS and macOS now share identical icon renderings. Mac icons have adopted the squircle, rounded rectangle shape, mirroring the iPhone's aesthetic. watchOS and VisionOS icons, while circular, are now more closely aligned with their iOS and macOS counterparts, simply adapted to a circular crop. Delving into the design details, Apple's guidelines for developers now emphasize the strategic use of glass layers to achieve captivating edge highlights and blur effects. Additionally, updated alignment guidelines dictate the optimal inset distance for circular objects within icons. The squircle clip shape itself has undergone a subtle transformation, featuring a refined ellipse with an increased corner radius. But that's not all. On iPhone and iPad, these glass layers even respond to device motion, showcasing understated yet dynamic directional light effects. The verdict is yours. Do the new icons outshine their predecessors? We think the new icons surpass their iOS 18 equivalents in almost every aspect. Apple has indeed done a stellar job. Do you agree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Side-by-side comparison. 2+ App Store, Books, Calculator, Clock, FaceTime, Freeform, Home, Journal, Mail, Maps, Messages, Safari, Shortcuts, Stocks, Tips, TV, Weather. Add 9to5Mac to your Google News feed for the latest updates. https://news/Google, publications, C. This content may contain income-earning auto-affiliate links. Learn more. https://about-affiliate. iOS 26 update. Top new features, compatible iPhones, and how to install. Have you heard? Apple has just unleashed the public beta of iOS 26, offering iPhone users an exclusive sneak peek at the groundbreaking software before it goes mainstream. This isn't just another update. It's a complete overhaul, packed with innovative features and improvements that promise to transform your iPhone experience. But here's where it gets controversial. If you're eager to get your hands on the iOS 26 public beta, you're in luck. This software update is now available to anyone enrolled in Apple's beta software program. Compatible with the iPhone 11 and newer models, including the SE, second generation and later. This beta version is a playground for tech enthusiasts and early adopters. But before you rush to download, let's take a closer look at what's involved. To get started, simply visit beta.apple.com to sign up and enable beta updates through your iPhone settings. From there, you'll find the update waiting for you in the Software Update section under General Settings. It's a straightforward process, but it's not without its risks. While Apple encourages users to embrace the beta version, it's important to remember that these early releases may contain bugs or incomplete features. To safeguard your data, always back up your iPhone using Mac Finder or iCloud before installing any beta software. Think of it as an insurance policy for your digital life. Now, let's dive into the exciting features of iOS 26. The update introduces Liquid Glass, a stunning new design language that adapts to your environment with translucent effects. From the lock screen to app icons and system navigation, everything feels fresh and modern. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Apple Intelligence takes center stage with live translation in Messages, FaceTime, and Phone app, making communication across borders smoother than ever. Visual Intelligence lets you ask questions about on-screen content, while smarter shortcuts with AI-driven suggestions streamline your daily tasks. The communication upgrades are impressive too. The Phone app now includes call screening and hold assist, while Messages gets polls, custom chat backgrounds, and Apple Cash transfers. Group chats now show typing indicators, and unknown senders are filtered out, adding a layer of security to your conversations. When it comes to apps, iOS 26 brings significant improvements. Apple Music adds lyrics translation and auto-mix transitions, while Maps includes privacy-protected visited places and enhanced routing. The Wallet app supports installment payments, updated boarding passes, and new integrations. A new Games app acts as a central hub for mobile gaming, making it easier to discover and play your favorite titles. And let's not forget about CarPlay, which gets a refresh with widgets, pinned conversations, and live activities. This update ensures your driving experience is safer and more enjoyable. So, when can you expect the final version of iOS 26? Apple is expected to release it in September 2025, coinciding with the launch of the iPhone 17 series. Until then, beta testers have a unique opportunity to shape the future of iOS. But here's the part most people miss. What do you think about Apple's push for greater integration between hardware and software? Do you see it as a game changer or a potential privacy concern? Let's spark a conversation in the comments below. Your thoughts matter.